Kia ora, I'm Kiri Ropati.
And I'm Tim Hawes from the locals at Ray White. And we are super excited to bring this beautiful bungalow here at 5 Wellpark Ave, Grey Lynn to the market for your viewing pleasure. This light and bright bungalow features 3 great sized bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a large open plan living and kitchen. The living flows to an elevated north-facing deck with fantastic sea views looking right out over Westmere. Situated only a moment's walk from the West Lynn village, where you're spoilt for choice, with great options at all times of day for dining, wining or coffee, and much more. We can't wait to get you through, so make sure you come along on the weekend to the open homes or give us a call and arrange a private viewing.